Vpp'S Shemborlang Rynjah and Strongpillar Kharjana are poised to be elected uncontested as the new Chief Executive Member CEM and the Chairman of the Khadc, with the opposition holding 12 MDCs but lacking the numbers to challenge. They decided not to contest the post. Rynjah representing Langkardem Lightcraw and Kharjana representing Maukar Panthor Umkra were the only ones to file their nominations today. The scrutiny of the nominations conducted by Khadc Legislative Wing Secretary Ballantyne Sotun confirmed that all submitted nominations were valid. The elections for the chairman and the CEM post is scheduled for Friday at 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. respectively, with both Rynjah and Kharjana set to be elected uncontested.
CEM, and in one set nominated to Sri Tuba Strongpillar Kharjana as chairman.
Chief Minister